Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the cleaner and remove the brush head. Do it quickly to avoid motor strain. Use a small screwdriver to open the housing. Keep screws in a tray so nothing gets lost. Once exposed, examine bristles, bearings, and mesh screen for hair, grit, or rust, and note where movement feels restricted. Make sure to work on a flat surface with a towel. This prevents parts from rolling away and makes reassembly simple and reliable. You now tackle the core. Remove hair and fibers with tweezers, then brush trapped dust from bristle bases. This restores rotation. Next, detach removable plastic pieces and soak them in warm soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes, then air dry completely. Moisture ruins motors. If bearings feel gritty or the mesh is torn, swap them for OEM or compatible replacements because cheap fixes fail fast. Once done, lightly lubricate metal bearings with a tiny amount of machine oil. Avoid excess. You finish by reassembling the unit in reverse order. Hand tighten screws first, then secure them evenly. Once assembled, run a short no-load test for 10 to 20 seconds while observing brush rotation and listening for rubbing or grinding. If you notice uneven spinning, stop immediately and reopen to check alignment and debris. Make sure mesh is seated and bearings are seated squarely. Troubleshooting tip: if noise or pulling persists after cleaning, swap the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.